everybody, welcome back to the Triple D channel. Today's video is going to be how to use these brand new sweater decals with gel polish. You can use them with dip or nail polish, but today is going to focus on gel polish. So you want to take the decal off of the plastic backing and size it to your nail to make sure it's not too large or too small. If it fits perfectly, go ahead and place it, but if it's a little too large, put it back on the plastic backing and then cut to size. These sweater stickers have a very adhesive backing, so they should be able to stick to your dip powder, gel, nail polish just fine. If you have a strong C-curve or apex, you may experience a little more trouble trying to get them to lay flat. In those cases, I recommend that you actually cut the sticker up into 3 strips, going from top to bottom, and then place them that way so that it lays completely flat over your nail. As you can see here, it is very flat on my swatch stick, but the curve on this swatch stick is not really strong. After you've done that, go ahead and take your gel polish and apply it liberally over the sticker without oversaturating or flooding it. When it is done curing, go ahead and file off any rough edges if there are any, or if the sticker is hanging over off the nail. And when you're ready, go ahead and apply a matte top coat and then cure again for 60 seconds. You want to use a matte finish to give it that true sweater look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. You can actually do this with any gel polish color that you choose, but if you want to learn how to do it with dip powder, we're going to link a video below by one of our ambassadors, Kate's Nail Corner. She has an amazing video using dip powder. Thank you guys so much and have a great day. Bye!